Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Bore Mop is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a spotless home, transforming the tedious chore of cleaning floors into a surprisingly efficient and even satisfying experience, especially when you discover how this particular model tackles dirt, grime, and spills with unparalleled ease, leaving your surfaces gleaming and your efforts minimized. Number 5. GLORYFIRE Elite Universal Gun Cleaning Kit. We meticulously studied the best gun cleaning tools on the market, identifying and improving upon existing weaknesses. This kit represents our commitment to superior quality and performance. Our kit offers an extensive range of calibers, ensuring compatibility with a vast array of handguns, shotguns, and pistols. You'll find the perfect fit for virtually any firearm you own. After extensive research and development, we've created a reinforced and lengthened cleaning rod that is exceptionally durable. It's designed to withstand rigorous use without bending or breaking, even for longer barrels. The brushes in this kit feature a robust aluminum core and multiple sturdy brass rods, making them resistant to bending. We've also simplified caliber identification for a more efficient cleaning process. We've enhanced the durability of the carrying case and included high-quality 100% cotton cleaning cloths. Every accessory is clearly marked for quick and easy access, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. This kit is designed to provide every shooting enthusiast with the perfect gun cleaning solution. Experience the difference that quality and thoughtful engineering can make. What we like. This kit offers an extensive range of caliber options for all your firearms. Its reinforced rod is designed for durability and extended reach, making it ideal for longer barrels. If you're looking for a comprehensive and robust cleaning solution for a variety of guns, this is the one to consider. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber, which is highly absorbent and effective at picking up dirt and grime. The mop features a self-wringing mechanism that allows you to control the amount of water in the mop head, preventing overwetting of floors. The extendable handle makes it easy to reach high or low areas without straining your back. Number 4. Bore Baby .30 cal Rifle Cleaning Mops, 6 pieces. Keep your .30 caliber rifle in top condition with these specialized cleaning mops. Designed for a perfect fit, they ensure thorough cleaning every time. Featuring a brass core and thread, these mops are designed to clean effectively without scratching your barrel. They provide superior contact for a deeper clean. This pack includes 6 pieces, so you always have a fresh mop ready. Avoid using worn-out tools and maintain the best performance for your firearm. We offer a wide range of gun cleaning accessories, with ample stock in our California warehouse. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Should you encounter any quality issues, simply contact us or apply for a replacement. Bore Baby is committed to resolving any problems for you. What we like. Designed specifically for .30 caliber rifles, this mop ensures a snug fit for effective cleaning. The brass core prevents barrel damage, and you get 6 pieces to keep you stocked. If you own a .30 caliber rifle and want a dedicated, high-contact cleaning tool, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber, which is very absorbent and effective at picking up dirt and grime. The mop features a self-wringing mechanism that allows you to control the amount of water in the mop head, preventing overwetting of floors. The extendable handle makes it easy to reach high areas and corners without straining your back. Number 3. Eyxformula 200-400 PCS Gun Cleaning Swabs. Achieve detailed firearm maintenance with these swabs. Their double-ended pointed tips provide 800 cleaning points, allowing you to use fewer swabs compared to single-tip options. Ensure a clean, residue-free finish on your firearms. The high-quality cotton stays intact, making them ideal for cleaning pistols, rifles, and shotguns of various calibers. These swabs are perfect for applying gun cleaning oil, lubricants, and solvents. They effectively clean fouling, dirt, and debris from your firearms. The extra-long bamboo sticks provide excellent reach for tight spaces. Their sturdy, bend-resistant design outperforms plastic or paper alternatives. Designed for cleaning a wide range of firearms, including rifles, handguns, and shotguns. Easily clean chambers, barrels, slides, and more with precision. What we like. These swabs offer precision cleaning with double-ended, lint-free tips and long bamboo handles for reaching tight spots. They are highly absorbent for solvents and oils. If you need detailed cleaning for various firearm types and appreciate a residue-free finish, these swabs are perfect for meticulous maintenance. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber, which is highly absorbent and effective at picking up dirt and grime. The adjustable handle allows for easy maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces. The mop comes with a reusable and machine-washable mop head, which is eco-friendly and cost-effective. Number 2. BIRCHWOOD KC Cotton Bore Mop. Keep your firearm in top condition with this essential cleaning tool. It's designed for easy application of solvents and lubricants, ensuring your gun performs its best. Crafted with high-quality cotton and designed to fit standard threads, this mop makes maintenance simple. Experience a noticeable difference when you oil and lubricate your firearm. This accessory is a must-have for anyone who values their firearm. It reaches every part of the barrel for a truly thorough clean, trusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Maintain accuracy and extend the life of your gun with this convenient tool. It's perfectly suited for popular calibers like 30-30, 308, 30-06, and 7.62 mm. For decades, BIRCHWOOD KC has been the go-to brand for reliable shooting and gun care products. Trust in our legacy of innovation and quality for your firearm maintenance needs. What we like. This bore mop is crafted for specific popular rifle calibers, ensuring thorough multidirectional cleaning. Its high-quality cotton effectively applies solvents and lubricants. If you own a .30 caliber rifle and need a reliable tool for deep cleaning and maintenance, this mop is a must-have accessory. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber, which is highly absorbent and effective at picking up dirt and grime. The adjustable handle allows for comfortable use at different heights, reducing strain on the back. The mop bucket features a built-in wringer that effectively removes excess water, leaving the mop head damp but not soaking wet. Number 1. BIRCHWOOD KC 20-gauge Cotton Bore Mop. Introducing the BIRCHWOOD KC Cotton Bore Mop, designed for efficient gun cleaning. It's the perfect tool for applying solvents and lubricants to maintain your firearm. Crafted with high-quality cotton and fitting standard 8-32 threads, this mop ensures easy application. Keep your valuable firearm in top condition with this durable maintenance accessory. Achieve thorough, multi-directional cleaning with this versatile bore mop. It's designed to reach even the most difficult areas of your gun barrel. Proper gun maintenance is crucial for accuracy and long service life. This convenient mop makes that essential task simple and effective for your 20-gauge firearm. For decades, BIRCHWOOD KC has been a trusted name in gun care. Rely on our commitment to quality for innovative products that stand the test of time. This single-pack cotton bore mop is specifically designed for 20-gauge firearms. It efficiently distributes cleaning solvents and lubricants for optimal barrel maintenance. What we like. Specifically tailored for 20-gauge shotguns, this bore mop ensures efficient application of cleaning solvents and lubricants. It provides thorough cleaning for hard-to-reach barrel surfaces. If you're a shotgun enthusiast with a 20-gauge, this durable and easy-to-use mop is essential for maintaining your firearm's performance. What people say. The mop head is made of microfiber, which is highly absorbent and effective at picking up dirt and grime. The mop features a self-wringing mechanism that allows you to easily remove excess water without touching the dirty mop head. The adjustable handle can be extended up to 50 inches, making it comfortable to use for people of different heights and reducing back strain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.